Hi, this is John from SwitchSafe, reaching out to you today to ask you one simple question. Does cost matter to clients? How many of you have heard of a little company called Geico? Do we all remember that tagline that they have, what they're known for, besides this cute little lizard? Yes, we can save you 15% on what? On car insurance. Do you know how much money Geico has made over the last few years off of that one slogan, 15% on car insurance? Question I have for you is, how much does car insurance cost the average American? The answer? About $907 a year. $907 with a 15% savings is about $136 a year. People are willing to go through the hassle, the time, and pay attention to commercials to save $136 a year, but how many of those same people understand what the true costs of their investment portfolio are? You know, Mr. Buffett owns Geico. He's laughing all the way to the bank off of this simple message of saving 15% or $136 a year on your car insurance. As an advisor speaking to clients on a daily basis, how early in the sales process do you create trust by letting them know what their current costs are on their investment portfolio and the cost of doing business with you? You see, does cost really matter to clients? Well, I think it does. If you take a look at Vanguard and the amount of success they've had in this industry, where are they getting that momentum from? I believe most of that comes from the fact that they're the low-cost provider. What about Scottrade? $7 trades. People hop on that bandwagon. Now TD Ameritrade acquired them. Why? To be the low-cost provider in our industry. But what about some of the products that we can offer as insurance agents and financial advisors that could even be cheaper than the ultra low-cost Vanguard or Scottrade? What about a fixed annuity? What about a fixed index annuity? These products sometimes have as little as a zero annual cost. Are you discussing what costs you are providing on an annual basis to your clients? Does this really matter though? I mean, what is the total average management? The above average, above middle class 60-year-old has about $2 million in savings. If they have $2 million and they're paying 3% or 2.5% in annual management, and you could reduce that by 1 or 2% per year, you could be saving them $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 a year in investment fees. You think they would pay any attention to that? These are the same people that are calling Geico to save 15% on car insurance or $130 a year, and you're not hitting them early on in your sales process discussing the fact that you could be saving them tens of thousands of dollars a year in investment costs. I think you're missing the boat. But how do you go about doing that? Well, first off, you need to have something where you can analyze these costs on the fly and do a side-by-side comparison. Here's an example of being able to compare mutual funds, a variable annuity, a REIT, and an index annuity all side by side, all on your laptop, your iPhone, your tablet, in about 7 seconds, to be able to show them the true cost of anything that they own coming into your office and any solution that you want to provide to them. But you got to have this data, and it needs to be available to you in an easy to use format. Take a look. There was $104 billion of variable annuities that were sold in 2016. What do you think the internal costs are with the riders that are added to most of these products? Are we looking at, with the sub-accounts, the M&Es, the riders, we're looking at 3 or 4% per year a lot of times in these products. Are clients aware of that? Are they aware of the other options that they have out there? We have a simple system that we use with every one of our clients early on in our connection process. Be this at a seminar, be this in our first meeting, but we go through our AUM process that helps people understand what those true costs are, and it allows us to pivot, whether it's to an annuity, whether it's to a fee-based account, whatever our specialty is. But we do that by getting the understanding of what costs are out there. By adding value, giving that fee analysis at no charge, helping them use our proprietary database of 40,000 products so they can truly understand what they are paying, because 90% of the time they have no idea. And then use that data to make a compelling case for whatever product or services you're looking to sell. You see, we are able to do this for you. We're able to speak to the clients about their strategies, and we're able to do this at an ultra low cost environment, $29 a month or $299 a year. I'm going to go a little bit deeper into a little longer video explaining our AUM process, explaining how we are able to do side-by-side cost comparisons, and a little bit more about our SwitchSafe product. So reach out, look out, click the link, look for us for our longer video here that goes into depth. But I wanted to really get you thinking today, how early in the sales process are you showing the value that you provide, the cost savings that you can provide to their clients, and really illuminating the expenses and fees that they currently have buried in their portfolios that they may not be aware of. So I want to thank you for your time today. Reach out to us at SwitchSafe, our YouTube page, or find us online for more information here about how you can use SwitchSafe to illuminate the fees, costs, and expenses and win sales.